Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Capital One to view reward history step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Capital One website. Log into your Capital One account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the top menu. Look for the Rewards or Rewards Dashboard option. Click on that option to enter the Rewards section. In the Rewards section, locate the View Reward History link. Click on that link to access your reward history. Once the page loads, you should see a detailed list of your rewards. Review the transaction dates, points earned, and types of rewards. If needed, use any available filters to sort or search your reward history. If you want to download your rewards data, look for an export option. Select the format you prefer for the download, such as CSV or PDF. Follow the prompts to save the file to your device. For additional information, explore other features in the rewards dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check the help section or contact customer support. Feel free to log out of your account when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.